Welcome to Fulcrum Homedecor. My name is Pallavi and I'm here to help you transform your spaces into a home. Today is a very unusual video. I have never done one of these for my channel. This time I went all out in the sale because I have two projects that I am styling at the moment and I needed a lot of accessories. So I have bought a lot of things from at home, the at home sale. I've bought a lot of things from the home center sale. I've bought from the Ikea family sale. I've also bought from the Amazon Prime Day sale. So this is going to be a lot of products and I'm hoping to show you how I style them. So let's begin the video. The first thing that I got was this beautiful big platter. It's like a beaten metal one, and this was for $19.99 and I got it for $9.99. And this is how I bought this specifically for the reception table. The other thing that I did was to buy a bunch of florals. Now these are just some of them are natural florals which are dyed, and some are also faux florals. Of course, I'm not for faux florals, but in this particular site that I'm going to decorate and accessorize, I needed some of them. So these are the florals that I got. I also got a whole bunch of stones and shells from the at-home sale. However, these were not on a discount, and I needed them to style a specific room in this project, which is called the water room. I also picked up these beautiful trays. However, these are plastic melamine ones, but they were on, this one was on a very big discount. This one was, I think, 60% off. I got it for, it's $3.99 and I got it for, no, it's not 60%. It was $3.99 and I got it for $1.99, and this one was a wooden one which I got pretty much full price. I think I paid just 25 rupees lesser than what it is. And these are again for the styling of this project. I loved this photo frame that I picked up from at home. This was on a 50% off. So this was for 1,000 and I got it for $4.99. I loved the brass detailing with the wood. I got very carried away when I saw these. These have been on my to buy list for a really long time. These are mercury glass Christmas trees, and they are battery operated. However, they don't have batteries right now, so they're not anything, but I'm hoping to style them in my home this Christmas. From at home, I also picked up this oil. This is a vaporizer oil. This was not at a very big discount. It was just I think it was $6.25, which I got for $5.40, but I love the smell. It's Desi Gulab, so it's not the typical English rose. It has a very nice Indian smell. And I also picked up some incense. I'm a lover of oud. However, it does get on my senses too much, but this one seemed like a subtle oud, so this is the incense I got. So this was my at-home sale. Now let me show you the home center one. Let me show you what I got from the home center sale. I walked into the place to buy some artifacts, did not know there was a sale happening, but it was the first day and it was a weekday, nobody was there, so I got some good steals. Though I got a few, but at a very good discount. Let me show you what I got. I got this beautiful blue ceramic vase. I think it's really pretty. It was about 50 to 60% off. I got this blue metal bowl. It has a few blue freckles. You really can't even make out. This was also at 50 to 60% off. I got this lovely mustard yellow. I love the color, and it goes very well with the place I'm going to be styling. And this was also at the same 50-60% off. I got this beautiful metal lantern, and I think this was a steal because it was at a 70 or 75% off. I was in perfect condition, but that was the only piece left. And then I got these heavy marble bookends, which were at 50% off. So this was also something that I felt was a steal. So I can't wait to show you how I style them. Wait for my next video. You've seen my at-home haul and my home center haul. And this is all I have from Amazon. Let me show you what I got. seemed like a few seconds for you. Took me a long time to unbox all of this, and when I see it, I'm like, oh, okay. Let me show you what all I got this time. Now, you must be wondering why I have gotten all of this. I'm an interior designer, as you all know, and we do a lot of styling of projects, and I keep needing things for that. And a lot of this is going to go towards that itself. So, let's begin. I got this duvet because the display duvet that we had to give it to another client, and so this is the Amazon Basics one. All the prices will be mentioned here. I don't remember them. I also got a flat sheet with 2 pillow covers. This is a beautiful top color, and I was very keen on getting this color here. This is a duvet cover. I will be styling and showing you some of these things in my next video, so stay tuned for that. And it's a very beautiful duvet cover. I recently used it in one of my projects, and the client really liked it and wanted and kept it. So I wanted another one in stock with us. Then I got a bunch of vases, but before I get to the vases, let me show you. So I get a lot of my inserts, pillow inserts and cushion inserts from Amazon, and this time during the sale there were some discounts on it. So I got a pack of 5 or 6 in this. I also got the Solomon pillows, which are supposed to be good, I guess, but we needed it for display. So this is what I got. And I got a bunch of wooden artifacts, and I got a bunch of ceramic ones. Let me show you which ones. Some wooden ones are yet to come from the sale, but I wanted to do this haul with you. So this is, I got this beautiful vase. This is a ceramic one, lovely color, just loved it, so I got this. There is this black one. These are very in these days, so some neutral colors are always best for styling, and I wanted to get these. I got another one which is this ring shape. Of course these don't hold plants very well, but let's see how I style this. I wanted to again get a very earthy color, because most of the projects that you see, the color is always added through the bed sheets or cushions and things like that, and I like to keep the artifacts very neutral. So this is that. I really liked this one. It's actually a very beautiful feel. I don't even know how to explain it. It's a little rough, but it feels like an actual stoneware, even though it's white in color. Let's see how I style this. And so these were the ceramic ones, and I got a bunch of wooden stuff, as I was mentioning. These are actually candle holders, so these looked really beautiful, very natural wood. Of course the wood is not very polished, so some places I do feel that there is a little bit of pilling happening. We can do that with a little bit of sandpaper. I also needed some architectural decor elements, and I've ordered some of them. These are also candle holders. It's a set of 3 pillar ones. Nice distressed wood, very smooth, good finish, very reasonable in the sale as well. These are again 2 pillar candle holders. Nice solid. They're not very heavy, but they're nice wood. Feels very nice on the hand, and they have these candle supporters also in the middle. And this was this architectural, really pretty ring kind of thing, which you can just add to your bookshelf for decor. I also did order some florals. I am not a very faux floral person, but you'll see a lot of it where you really can't have that many natural flowers in a space like mine where I have to display. So I bought these eucalyptus ones, and they actually look very real. Let me just put them in like this. And let me just tell you about these bunch of roses. I mean, I'm just going to go up close and show it to you like this. It actually has petals which are literally browning on the edges, and they look extremely real. So I'm really happy with this stuff. I think it looks quite nice. What do you say? Yeah, but I'll style them and show them to you. And I have been a fan of double glass containers or cups, and I have a bunch in my house, but I really like these from Filmora, and these were not on sale, but I did end up picking them up, and you'll see me use them. They're just the perfect shape. They're just like cup in your hands. So this is what I got. So this is all that I got from Amazon. Now I'm going to be showing you what I got from Ikea, and stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to be showing you how I style all of these things. So let's now unbox all the stuff that I got from the Ikea sale. Oh, I did look up the Ikea family sale. However, I wasn't very impressed with a lot of things that were there. So even though the box looks big, I just bought a few things. Let me show you. I generally love their planters because they're quite long lasting. So I got some basic little black planters. I got this cushion cover. I'm going to show you how I style this because I had a very specific place in mind when I was buying this one. Then I got this is something I really liked, and I thought they were stunning. So this is a set of vases, one of my favorite colors, taupe. So these are the vases I got from the Ikea sale. And another thing that I really liked was this beautiful planter basket. It actually comes with a plastic liner like that, so you can be absolutely assured that this cane is not getting mold anytime soon. So this is my Ikea haul, and stay tuned to see how I'm going to style these products. So this was my entire sale haul. Now I procured so many things because I have a lot of sites to style, and my profession is an interior designer. I'm going to be styling each of these products, so stay tuned to see that. It will be coming out very soon in my next video. Do consider subscribing so that you can get notified if there is the next video coming out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.